Hello everyone, my name is Josh and I'll help you to review all the websites. So, are you having a difficulty in losing your weight, or are you at the age of 40s or 50s and it's really difficult to lose weight as you did in your 20s? So, here I got a product which is the Keto Instant Cookbook. This product has some good recipes with good health benefits in it. So moving forward, here's a special report from Kelly Herring. Here's a special report from Kelly Herring. She states the book is an unusual combination that flips a biological on-off switch in your body. It helps you to reboost your metabolism, restore your youthful vitality, and reclaim your physical prime and burn fats just like you did in your 20s. And here's a review by another user who is just at the age of 46 and has stated that her health and physique has improved faster than ever with less efforts. The real victory is she has regained her health by defeating autoimmune diseases and healing a host debilitating conditions. Moving forward, the best advantage of the book is the cook time is very less. It is just 10 minutes hands-on time and 90 minutes faster cooking time. That's really good. And it has been used by many of people, men's and women's both, who have been struggling to lose their weight, but been successful shredding 10 pounds in a week, touching 20 pounds under a month, and seizing down a jeans of pair within days. If you're at the age of 40, 50, or 60, this is the best product to lose your weight, as it has helped many people to move from apple to hourglass shape in just 21 days. Not only this, the advantage of this product is it gives an exact step by step blueprint which have been followed and very delicious fat burning recipes. That's not enough, but it also has 300-year-old cooking secret, which is the heart of all. It has helped many people to lose love handles, lose back fats, and melt away the belly fats. So here are some results of the users. Here we can see the before picture of before purchasing the product and after results of using the product. They all have looked from good to great, and they have been happy with the product. And pay attention. This is nothing to do with counting calories, measuring portions, and eating boring food. This product has some good amount of recipes which with fat burning abilities, which is healthy for our body and helps to lose weight. The recipes like cheese meatball, then Italian meatball soup, pumpkin bacon soup. Not only this, it has chicken bites and with peanut sauce, then golden coconut shrimps. Not and it also has some good delicious desserts, just like cinnamon donuts, Belgium waffles, brownie bites, drop biscuits. Wow, this all are amazing recipes with a good taste and high fat burning ability. I've been using this product since a long time and have given me an amazing results. So I would suggest you to try this product as it has been useful for me. Do check the description box for the link, and like and subscribe our channel for more such reviews. Thank you.